Nandito na po kami sa Singapore. Bibilhan daw sana ako ni Mace ng Louis Vuitton, kaso sarado. Ah. Hindi sila nagala. Walaan nyo. Tulog pa, nag-pray lang. Tapos na. Good morning. This is our hotel for today only. And then tomorrow we'll be moving to True Siam Rangnam Hotel. Look, there's a pussycat.
Thailander po sikat. London is just right on the corner.
Look, a lot of trees. And the sky is blue. Amazing! We are going to walk from our hotel to Chatuchak Market because the Bolt app is taking too long. 30 minutes away from our hotel. Ang daming magagandang cups. We bought a lot of these ones here. We asked for their business card. Ayan.
Yung angle yan, no? Dito ako sa kabila. Oh.
Dito. Dito na pala.
Ano tayo ng kainan?
Ha?
Ano tayong kainan?
Tcharan! I bought it na. Kanina walang tao doon. This is our food. This is my one. That's his one. Are you happy, love? Are you sure?
Alam mo ako.
Honor, you pray.
Lord, we thank you for the food and for the continuous guidance for our travel. Like you know, Jesus.
Cheers.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Sarap lang.
Maang-ang, maang-ang. Nice and spicy. Ano yan?
Lime.
From? Nag-order ako ng ano? I ordered... Ano to? Thai tea?
Chai.
Thai tea.
Soda lemon.
Uy, ang sarap.
Soda lemon.
Grabe. Uy, ang sarap. We didn't even wait that long to get served. Bilis na lang naluto. Tapos,
2 minutes, within 2 minutes.
kaya na mga ano, condiments. Ang dami. Guys, ang daming chili oh. Chile, chile. More chile.
Sarap yan. Manghang.
Busog na. So, we're back in the Chatuchak Market. I'm eating the ice. Mas madami ng open ngayon. Kanina kasi they were still closed. Love, can you buy me a bag?
Sana. Sa Louis Vuitton sa may Changi Airport.
Love, may LV, ayan, no? Sabi mo, bibilan mo ako. We
Vintage.
saw this vintage shopping mall across Chatuchak Market. We'll be here for a while because there's an aircon inside. Ganda oh. We are on a break because it's so hot. We're buying some buko. Yan. Fresh buko for Majo. Tapos shake sa akin. Yummy. What can you say?
Nasaan pandan? Legit, kahit fresh.
Takim. Ano?
Diba ang tamis, no?
Masarap.
Mas pakita mo yung spoon. May sama siyang spoon, guys.
Where's the spoon?
Walang ganito sa Pinas. Dim sum spoon. Para sa buko.
Look how cute you guys. How cute. Oh. Pwede mo siyang ganyanin. Hindi ko lang sure kung paano. Guys, the buko is so fresh and yummy and so sweet for only 70 baht. It's so worth it. Look, ang taba ng laman.
So we waited for 3 hours.
Guys, we waited like 2 hours for this store to open and it's still closed. For his shoes, napaka na pala ng time consuming naman pala ng sapatos na gusto mo, be. Ayan o. So yung first day namin, parang lahat ng oras dito po nabuhos. Dahil lang sa sapatos na to. Kukunin na ba namin? Sabi kanina 490, 590 pala. Pawis na pawis ka na lang. Maganda. Ay, may masayang bata. Natawad po namin siya ng 570. Oo, na ayaw niya pumayag. 590 lang. Pinipilit niya. We bought it. Can you show everyone what you bought? Ay, ang kalat ng kama namin. Ang kalat ng kwarto. It's so bakalat. Yan, pakita mo kung sino ka. Ang ganda. Ang gwapo, yes. True.
Wala niyo tawang bili nito.
Oh, magkano daw? How much was it?
300.
300 ba? 300 baht.
300.
The short was 150, 20 baht.
And this one for 250 baht.
250 baht.
Yeah.
We got a bargain, I think. Ayaw na po namin pumunta sa mga ibang stall na nagtitinda ng parehas na gamit. Kasi sasakit na lang yung loob namin if ever. We also bought these bags for some friends. So cute, 50 baht each. Yan, no? So pretty!
You're asking for some.
I was asking for one free, pero hindi niya binigay. We also bought some baso for our future, cafe. Ang ganda pa naman ng packaging. So pretty! Ayan, no? And then this one is for me. Ayan siya. Bubuksan ko pa ba? Hindi ko na. Ganyan lang. Basta ganyan siya. Para sa mga matatanda. At saka, inhaler for 100 baht. This one was for 500 baht. We are walking again. We're gonna look for food to eat. And then we'll go back to Chatuchak Market. Tapos mag 7-Eleven kami to find some snacks. And then we'll go home and rest. Look Looking forward to that. Ito natin kanina. Ang daming pagkain. Street food.
Sabi-sabi.
Sawa na po kami sa shabu-shabu. We're not having that today. There's more on that side. We ordered this one and isaw for 10 baht each. We'll try it now. Chicken? Chicken asiata?
All the out?
Just chicken ass. I don't like chicken ass. So chicken ass pala yung kinakain ko. Hindi ko alam. Mas gusto ko to. Ito na lang. Ano siya?
Oh.
Pares lang. 10 baht for this crab. Wala laman. Ay, kinain mo lahat? Ano yun? Cheese?
Ito waffle.
Ang harap. Tamis. Guys, we are matching. Such couple goals. There are no more people in the streets. Just us. Ang dami na naman namin pinamili. Nabudol kami and I have a cup of ice here. Here is our pad thai. Tapos meron siyang ganito. Ano to? Puso ng saging, no? Oh, yummy. We are going to try pad thai. No more line yet. No more line. Wala mo ng line. Try natin siya. Sarap. This is our next hotel. Second day in Thailand, Bangkok. Good morning, love. Ang ganda. We are on our way to have our coffee because we could not check in yet until 2 p.m. Ang check-in time nila 2 p.m. Kaya magko-coffee muna kami.
Pero wait lang. Ay, hindi.
Hindi siya malambot. Ah! Ano to, Singapore? We are here, but guys, look at the queue. Look at the queue to the coffee shop. All this time, I thought no one loves coffee here, but I guess not. Look at that. Ang daming tao.
Hindi pa sa atin yan? Hindi pa.
We moved to another cafe because we couldn't wait an hour in line for coffee. Look how cute. Ayun na naman yung cute eh. No, we have the same one. Ang dumi, parang ano, tain ng bata. Order ako ng lime cheesecake, a matcha, americano, plain croissant. Ano kasi yan? Yung in-order mo? Gilig espresso. We have no choice but to take the train because it's so hard to book from the Bolt app. Nakakapagod! Mali yung station na binabaan natin. Thank you, Majo. Siam Station to this line here. We're gonna get off over here sa Fan Taxi. Nandito kami ngayon sa Saturn. We are going to Wat Arun. Tagta 30 baht each yung ticket. We are inside the ferry. We realized that it's more convenient to
Public transport.
yes, to go by public transport because it's faster,
Then both.
less traffic. If you plan on coming here, it's better to take public transport more than anything else. I could see a lot of people wearing the traditional clothing. I want to try also. Nainggit ako. Ang haba ng pila. Hindi ako nakapag-costume. Ayoko tuloy mag-picture-picture. Sobrang kitid ng hagdanan. I'm so scared to go down. I am having life crisis. Sobrang iniipon ko pa yung lakas ng loob ko para bumaba.
Aray. We could not go to Grand Palace because hanggang 4:30 lang sila. They're closed now in 30 minutes. So.
Wow. So while you
Mainit. Isa pa. mano-mano palang pinupuntarahan. Napakalaki naman pala talaga ng paa. Ang haba niya, oh. Sabi ko na nga ba hindi masarap yun. Mas okay yung mga nasa ano, daan-daan lang. Tsaka yung mga mura. Basta sa mga mahal. Sarap.
Okay naman. Ang masarap na ba?
No choice. Stop motion. Nagta-travel ano sila, time travel. Ba't hindi ka nagpapakita? Sabi mo, bibilan mo ako ng ano.
Itago na ako. So, pwede tayong pumasok doon wala.
And this is the room. That's the toilet and the bathroom. This is our bed.